Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Jason Phillips. He's a Simpson County Extension Agent for Agriculture and Natural Resources. Good morning, Jason.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Jason, you've been busy fishing this summer, and
yeah.
But you have a great recipe to share with us. A lot of times we get catfish and we just fry it up, but you have a recipe that people can feel really good about and still enjoy catfish.
This is a good, healthy recipe. And most of the ingredients involved here you probably got around your home, and it's very low cost. So as long as you got the catfish or any fish, it's not just catfish, but fresh fish. This is a great recipe.
Absolutely, and we'll kind of talk about it a little bit along the way about how we can, change it up a little bit. But a lot of people are scared to fry in oil, and so this is a way that if you are a little timid about deep frying, this is a way that you can still enjoy it as well.
Sure, yeah, it's going to be really great and lots of healthy ingredients, and so I think we'll really enjoy it.
All right, so you caught these fish, catfish. We have about 4 fillets here, but we need about a pound, right?
Right.
Okay, and then what else are we going to put in here?
So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
I'll grab this, and this is just kind of a binding agent, right? Just to kind of hold all of our other ingredients together.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's going to allow our batter, that we're going to prepare to stick to the fish.
Okay.
So, and then we also need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
This is going to add freshness and some acidity to it, and fish and lemon kind of go well together anyway. What do we have here? This is the seasoning. How much of that?
Sure. So we've got Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
We've got dill and just salt and pepper. So probably a lot of people have this around the home.
So we have 1/4 cup of that grated Parmesan cheese, and that's really going to be helpful. The grated, so it's real fine, so it really sticks well. And then I think the recipe calls for 1/4 teaspoon of dill. And dill and fish just really go well together. And if you have fresh dill at home, you can use that. But if we're going to use dried today.
And then 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
All right.
So Joanna, one thing that I enjoy about as much as catching the fish, because that's always fun, is cooking the fish.
And then you just take the fish fillets and you just dredge them in this oil lemon juice mixture.
Right, we left our fillets whole, but you can cut these into, say, thirds just to get more breading onto them if that's something you really like.
All right, so we have all of our fish drenched in our oil and lemon juice mixture. What comes next?
So then we're going to take the mixture that we created here with our dill and Parmesan cheese and salt and pepper, and we're just going to, I like quite a bit of cheese, so we're going to put quite a bit on top here.
Okay, and you just sprinkle that over the top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Try to get it, as even as possible, but I'm going to use the entire contents. And then we're going to take the cornflakes, which is going to serve as kind of our breading, and we're just going to cover the fish in the cornflakes.
And that's 2 cups of cornflakes that you just put in a plastic bag and kind of crushed up,
just
right?
Crushed it up. You're going to have some pieces that are smaller than others.
And so, Jason, we've preheated our oven to 350 degrees. How long does this recipe need to cook?
For about 20 to 30 minutes. And
okay.
So we'll just check the fish probably a little, I would say in about 20 minutes, and see how it's looking. And if we need to leave it in the additional 10 minutes, we'll do so. I'd say that looks good to me.
All right.
I'm hungry. I'm ready to give it a try.
All right. So we're just going to throw that in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll bring it out and talk about how we would plate it and eat this fish, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We've sort of got some golden crusting with our corn chips, and I can't wait to give it a try.
All right. So you can take this. It'll feed a family of 4. You can plate it up with some vegetables. But if you're interested in the recipe, you can contact us here at the Warren County Extension Office or any extension office and ask for this Cook Wild recipe. Jason, appreciate you coming and sharing this with us today.
Sure, glad we could do it.
All right. Well, we thank you for watching. If you'd like the recipe, make sure to visit your local extension office. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.